Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we take a look at a beautiful 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is an SS tribute car. It's not a real super sport. Really killer car, guys. 8 years ago, this car was a complete frame-off restoration. The gentleman said there's probably less than 2,000 miles on the car since it was done. It's finished in beautiful tuxedo black paint, black vinyl interior. Car came out of Kentucky. Matter of fact, I was actually in Tennessee with a buddy of mine, and we were rolling down the road headed to a car show, and he got a phone call on this car from the guy who actually restored it. Like you say, killer car, frame off restoration. I do have one picture of this car with the frame off of it, but very nicely done. It's got a healthy 327 in it, just pounds the ground. Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, disc brakes. Neat car, really done nice. You can see the paint is just super slick. It's hard to be honest, it's hard to believe this car was done 8 years ago, but he said the guy just really never drove it. New bumpers, a chrome and stainless is nice. Like I say, just slick black paint on it. In the bottom of the car, the floorboards are painted just like the top of the car. I mean, you can take this car right to the car show and put mirrors underneath it. Matter of fact, we're going to stick it right in the front window and put mirrors underneath it, so as people look in our windows at night, they can see underneath this car. Pretty paint. I didn't see really much you could really nitpick in the paint. You can see it's got that original back glass. You could nitpick that a little bit. A couple little dings in that rear trim. But pretty car and healthy. It scoots out. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got two brand new GM full length quarters on it. He said he put a new trunk pan in the car. Look how straight that car is, man. It's pretty. The car's got a killer look to it. "18-inch Coys wheels all the way around it. Front disc brakes. You can see slick paint. Like I say, healthy 327. Holley dual feed 4-barrel on it. It's got a Pro Comp polished aluminum intake, headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, nice set of finned aluminum valve covers. It's got all, aluminum pulleys, Muncie 4-speed manual trans. It's got an aluminum radiator with a flex fan. Good sounding H-pipe dual exhaust system. Look at that paint. Pretty paint. Boy, those look pretty new, man. Those are awfully nice. New mirrors. New door handles, new window fuzzies, new door rubbers. Bottoms of those doors are nice and clean. New carpet. Sorry, I was getting in and out. We just got a little dusty. New sill plates. Bucket seats, console. Got the Hurst shifter. Headliner's new. 64 817, but like you said, there's less than 2,000 miles actually on this resto. Original owner's manual's in the glove box, and all the gauges and everything worked. Parking brake was working. Blower motor works. The only thing I couldn't do was I couldn't get the radio to come on. It's got one of those newer retro sounds, so I might just be doing something wrong. 12 bolt, 373 limited slip rear end. I'm sorry, 323. I'm sorry, misspoke there. 323. You can see it's all spackle coated in the trunk. He did say they put a trunk pan in it, and it, like I say, 2 GM full length quarters. And I'm telling you, we took some pictures underneath. Floorboards are shiny black. Slick paint. Let's see if Ed can. It looks like just these little bolts have gotten a little crusty on there. It's probably from sitting in storage. I'll have Ed put some paint on them. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts. They definitely refoamed all the seats. They put the SS dash in it. They did a nice job. SS steering wheel. Even the clock works. Yeah, they bought these new. Little solid lift camshaft in it. Thing rocks too, man. It runs. The fit and finish is nice. Gauges are all functional. Parking brake works. Backup lights work. Car rocks, man. I'm telling you, it gets with the program. Maybe you'll have better luck. I couldn't get that to power up. I know the blower motor does work. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Little truck getting ready to come in. Have a great day, guys.